Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please click that like and that subscribe. And don't forget to bang that bell notification. This way you get notified every time I upload a video. Well, today is all about tire pressure monitoring system. That's right, TPMS. If you're fortunate or unfortunate to have one, you've been fighting this problem and I got a fix for you. You ever set your tire pressure and you still get your TPMS light right here? Go away. Go away. And no matter what you do, that light doesn't go back. Get away, you're annoying. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. It's very simple. It's very easy. And you got to, you'll see it. Trust me. It's not that hard. You can do it. I'm going to use some different tools you don't need to do. But you do need access to your valve steps. Go away. Damn, that thing is annoying. So let's get set up and I'm going to show you how to do this. All right, so to start off, you need access to your valve stem. And I don't know why every bike that has this issue, it's the back. And why is this so hard to come off? Never an issue with the front. It's always an issue with the back. And I have this complaint come all the time. So the first thing you want to do is remove all the air out of your tire, all of it. So I'm just going to pull the valve core out. You don't have to. You could sit there with a screwdriver and go just like that. But it's for speed and for the sake of a not forever video of putting air in your tire. We're going to just remove all the air out of the tire. And just so you can see, this is my 2020 CVO Road Glide that we're doing this on. And we're going to bring up the TPMS screen on the display. So let's bring that up. Okay, as you can see, tire pressure is dropping down and the front is set to 40 where I like it. And now the back is done deflating and it's reading 1. So what we're going to do is now I'm going to put the valve core back in and then I'm going to inflate the tire to my desired tire pressure, which is for the back is 38 psi. Okay, grab your favorite tire inflator. I don't care which one it is. Those portable ones work great, but I'm going to use compressed air here. So now I'm just going to inflate my tire to 38 psi. And that light should go out. If it doesn't, then we got another issue. Ah, the compressor, hold on. Now to get to your screen where it shows your tire pressure, you gotta turn your bike on, and there's 2 ways to do it. And I'm gonna show you that. As soon as this thing boots up, say okay, and you come up to your screen here. You're gonna either press the informations button, which will bring you there, then you select your TPMS. And as you can see now, it's 40/40. That pesky light is gone. It's no longer telling me I have an issue, my tire pressure monitor. Well guys, I know it's a quick video, it's not very sexy, but it's a tip and trick so you don't go crazy with that pesky TPMS light. So until the next time guys, I want you to live the best life you can. Ride off and as always, ride hard.